Hey there, welcome back to our JavaScript series. In our previous video, we explored the world of assignment operators. Today, we are going to dive into comparison operators. These operators are crucial in making your code more effective and efficient. So let's get started. Comparison operators are used to compare two values, and values can be number, variable, or constant. And these operators determine if they are equal, not equal, greater than, less than, or within a specific range. Briefly, they are used to test for true or false. Here are some common comparison operators in JavaScript. Equal to, not equal, equal value and equal type, not equal value and equal type, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So let's, as we said that they are used to compare the values, now I'm going to use the first operator to check for comparison. Okay, clg shortcut for console.log. Let's check 5 is equal to 5. I'm going to use the terminal of VS Code. Here you can use the terminal, but let me remove this one. Okay, so let's if you want to run your JavaScript code in the VS Code terminal, you can write node and your file name. The file name is here script.js. So the result is true. We know the 5 is equal to 5. The result is true. If I check for not equal for this operator, the result is false, because 5 is not equal to, because 5 is equal to 5. So if you check for not equality, so they will return the false. Okay, if I check for this one, as this operator not checking for type, this operator is not used to check the type, so the result still is true, because 5 is equal to 5. Although the 5 is a string and this 5 is integer, but because this operator is not check the type, the result is true. Now we understood the equal to or not equal. They are used to check for value, not for type. Okay, let me also here, instead of 5, I am going to save this 5 to into variable x. We can use instead hard-coded 5, we can write the variable x. So if I run again this, you can see the result is true. They are equal to each other. As I said, they are not checking for type. Okay, now I'm going to check for equal value and equal type. As you can see, there is the result is true, because 5 is equal to 5 and the type is still are the same. If I change this type to string, now they will return false, because they are not equal, they don't have equal type. 5 and x, they are 5, but they don't have equal type, so the result is false. Let's check for not equal. Now it will return true, because they are not equal. We are checking x not equal to 5. This 5 is not equal to 5, so the result is true. Now understood the equal value and equal type operator and not equal value or not equal type operator for this too. Okay, let's go for greater than operator. If I check for this one, x is greater than 5, so that you can see x is equal to 5, the result will be false, because 5 is not greater than 5, they are equal. If I use this operator, let me move it up. Now if I check for greater than or equal, the result is true. because they are equal. And also let's go for the less than operator. The result now, if I run this code, the result is false because x is not greater than 5. X is not less than 5. If I use this one, so now the result will be true because they are equal. Okay, that's it for today's video on comparison operators in JavaScript. These operators are essential in making your code more robust and efficient. Remember to practice and experiment with different scenarios to solidify your understanding. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Focus channel for more JavaScript tutorial and programming content. See you in the next video.